Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Welcome to the channel. What we'll be doing today, guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey. And if you have a problem, guys, with your passenger airbag or passenger airbag occupancy sensor, stay with us and we'll show you which fuse to check. This same vehicle is known as Fiat Freemont the rest of the world, so the procedure will be the same, guys. If your passenger airbag doesn't work or you have a problem with it, check that fuse first. We will have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Quite a few videos will be made. Our mission here at the shop is to save you, as much money as we can. So we need to go to the passenger side of the vehicle, and we removed our glove box. You don't have to do that. We did it so we can gain a little bit of room and show you where things are. Now, if you come underneath the glove box, you will notice that you have a fuse box right here with a lid like that. And this lid you will need to pull it out. On the back side of the lid, guys, you will notice your fuse numbers. And the one for the it's called DRC, I believe, 10 amp. This is for the occupancy sensor, passenger occupancy sensor, F10 fuse. So check this fuse, guys. It will be the fuse right here. Perfect, this 10 amp fuse. Another one that could be it's fuse number F118. So looking at the cap here now, 118. That's a little bit hidden. It's actually right there. So that one will be it will be this fuse right here. So they're next to each other. You can see this one and this one, and there they have QRC on them, so probably because they're part of the airbag system. So these two need to be checked if you have a problem with the occupancy sensor. You can find them in the description of the video below. We'll have the replacement fuses listed there, so please check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.